Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Roblox name tag color. So first, you just need to open your Roblox either on your app or browser, and then you just need to sign in your account. Now click on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right, and then you just have to click on these settings. Now, under my settings, you just have to scroll down to the bottom and just need to click on this help option right here. So click on this option and then you will go here on the new page. You can see the Roblox support. Now, what you're going to do here is just scroll down to the bottom and click on this contact us. Once you click on this one, you will be directly go here on this page, and then you will go here on technical questions, and just need to choose here what PC or computer you are using right now. So, for example, this one right here. And then once you've done here, you just need to scroll down again and find this another option. So just click on this. Need more help and you will go directly on this page. Now, under the contact us form, you just need to complete all the fields right here, your username, full name, email address, and here under the issue details, what device are you having problem on? Just need to choose here. So for example, want to choose PC and type of help category. I want to choose bug report and here in the description, you will just write down here the problems that you want to fix on Roblox or you want to change. So for example, I want to type right here, I want to change my name tag color on my Roblox account. After this one, I just want to continue. I want to change to blue color. So any color you want to change, yellow, blue, red, or anything. And then please help me. Thank you. Now, once you've done right here, you just need to click on the submit button here at the bottom and just wait for 1 to 2 business days and you will receive an instruction on how you can fix or just change the name tag color on your Roblox. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.